Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you some of the basics of JavaScript event listeners. Sorry about that. All you need to do is go to the file explorer and select right click and select new folder, and we'll call it JavaScript dash event dash listeners. Okay, so now that we've opened that, alright, so now that we've got our folder, we can right click it, the folder, and we can say open with code. So when the VS Code installation begins, you will get an option to choose this right click. Otherwise, you can just go to this file and open the folder. Oh, and by the way, if you're wondering what theme I am using, it's the OneDrug Pro theme of Atom. I like the theme. So the first thing we need to do is create an index.html file, and let me close the sidebar, and let's generate a boilerplate HTML code. And if you're confused what I'm doing here, I'll tell you that I have edited the VS Code settings. Alright, so if you want to start up the server, you can download an extension called live-server, and you can download this live server. There are tons of other choices. For example, this HTML-live-server, and if you want, and sometimes if you want to use SAS, you can download this extension. But I'm not going to do that because I have downloaded an npm package which is called live server. So if you want to download Node.js, go to Node.js, search Google for Node.js and run nodejs.org. Alright, so I recommend you download the recommended version, but I'm using some other version. Okay, so once you've got that installed, you can run npm install -g live-server. So once you've installed that, you can run the command of live-server and hit enter, and it will start up your live server. Let's change the title to JavaScript event listeners. Okay, so let me put them side by side so you can see. Okay, we got our title. Let me close this up as well. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is we're going to test it with a button. Now buttons are very simple in HTML. All you need to do is write button and you'll get a button, and let's call it let's right click me. Okay, click me button. Nice. Let's just add some styling to the button to make it more nice. Style button background color is of, let's say, let's give it a really dark blue. Well, this dark, and let's color of, let's see, cyan, padding of 20 pixels, 10 pixels, and let's give the border border none, and let's none the borders, border radius of 7 pixels, and we say we get this button. Let's change this to 20. Okay, we get our button. So now let's apply the event listeners. So if you want, you can do a script tag and write your JavaScript in here, but I'm going to create a new file called event listeners.js. You can call it whatever you want. Let me move the terminal. Alright, we can first say you can use use one var to const. So I'm going to use the const button is equal to document dot query selector, and let's do button. Oh, after we've done that, we can write button dot add event listener, and we'll give it a click listener and an L function, and we're going to say alert hello world, and let's console log that as well. Log hello. Alright, let's test that. And nothing's going to happen because we haven't applied the link to it. So let's run script source is /eventlisteners.js. So when we click this button, we should get something. What is happening here? I need to check the console. I need to check it. Why is this not working? Why is this not working? They do something wrong. Let me try removing this comment. Maybe that will work. I hope so, but why is it not working? So I paused the recording until I figure out why it's not. Alright, so I have no idea why this is not working, so I'll comment this out. But you get the idea. We get the const button document.querySelector button, and that's how you define the clicked button. We also have some other options. For example, mouse over. We have mouse over and other options too. So this video was supposed to be about JavaScript event listeners, but we can do something else in this too. I will show you on how to write code in this app using JavaScript document dot write, and we can pass in nh1 hello slash h1, and let's save that. We get this hello printed out. Very nice. So let's try to add another button. Button slash button button button. You get this button. Very nice. So this has been a little mini video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye. Just kidding. I have some more options to show you. Alright, we have console.log, we have log, we have warn, we have error, we have error, and let's check the console. That we have this log warn error. Very nice. Alright, so that's the basics of Java. Very extremely basics of JavaScript. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.